Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my bathroom, and this is a routine that I like to do once a week. And so I start off by removing everything from my bathroom so that way I can spray down and wipe off all my surfaces. So today I did a vinegar soak on my shower head, and this is a half water, half vinegar solution that I put in a Ziploc bag, and then I wrap it around the shower head top to get rid of all the gunk and the buildup that's on it. And I do this about once a month, so this isn't part of my weekly routine, but it is something that needed to be done this week, so that's what I went ahead and did. So today I'm using Scrubbing Bubbles to clean my shower and my bathroom, and usually I use Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile to do this, but sometimes I like to use a little bit of a stronger cleaner for that deep clean that I'm looking for every once in a while. And this can did say that it has no harsh chemicals, but I don't like to use it all the time. But I go ahead and I spray the surfaces down, and then it builds up a really nice foam, and then after about 15 minutes I'll go back and wipe off the surfaces. And then another thing I like to do is take my Dyson V6 handheld vacuum and just vacuum up all the hair that accumulates around the base of the shower and anywhere else that you see in the bathroom as well before you wipe down the surfaces. So then I'll go ahead and wipe down all of the surfaces after everything's been removed and all the hair has been picked up. After all the surfaces have been wiped down, I like to go back and replace the hand soap if it was too low and put a new one in, and then a new fresh hand towel, and then just replace everything that I took out in the beginning. And then at the very end, I like to vacuum the floor, and I didn't record it here, but I also do a quick mop, and this just keeps the floor nice and clean. And then I put in the rugs and the mats, and I vacuumed those down as well. Thank you everyone for watching my YouTube video today. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like, comment, and subscribe.